Ciao, today we are making roasted garlic. Let's start with preheating the oven to 385 degrees. Next, let's cut the top off of the garlic bulb, making sure that the cloves at the top of the garlic are exposed. Now let's cut a piece of aluminum foil about 12 by 12 inches and let's place the garlic on top. Next, let's drizzle with extra virgin olive oil and season with sea salt. Let's wrap up the garlic in the foil and place it on a baking tray. This will help to prevent any mess in the oven in case the oil leaks out. Once the oven has preheated, place the tray on the middle rack. It should take about 45 minutes to roast the garlic. Once it is ready, it will have a golden color. Let it cool down first, and then squeeze the garlic and the cloves should come out easily. The cloves should also mash very easily too. Roasted garlic is great simply spread on bread or in recipes such as dips or mashed potatoes. Check out the next video for a great recipe idea using the roasted garlic. Buon appetito!